Biggity bang bang, biggity bang bang. Bang. Oh. We're gonna help me get into this mukbang because I was what? Hungry. Today we have some Philly cheesesteak on garlic bread and some fries, and we're gonna help me get started. Some seasoned fries. I saw this recipe on Facebook one time. I saw somebody put some Philly cheese steak, you know, the meat and the cheese and the peppers and stuff like that on some garlic bread. I was like, up. So, and some seasoned fries, you know, the Popeyes, Checkers, Riley's fries. Let's get started because I'm hot. I don't know why it's hot in here. And today I have a question of the day. I'm gonna be fucking this up. All right, damn. A little hard now, but it's good. I think this is my favorite type of fry ever.
Damn, little lady, you sure can't put it away.
You need your CashApp. None of that. I chew like a maniac. Alright. So let's hurry up and get into these questions. Okay. Hold on. Let me take a bite. Let's take a... Oh. Jeez. Okay. Okay. This gonna be messy.
This shit good.
Oh! Y'all gotta try that Philly cheesesteak, steak and cheese, whatever, on that Texas toast garlic bread. Bomb. Anyway, let's get into this question. Because I was scrolling around on social media. I think it was either Twitter or Instagram. And I saw these questions pop up. And the answers were surprising to me, but I ain't surprised, but I am surprised. So I just wanted to know if y'all think the same way, because I might be the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So look at this. Hot. Woo! I think hot. So the first question was, let's say you're in a relationship, right? This is really for the women, but it could apply to a man too. You're in a relationship. Y'all in the bed, sleep. 3 o'clock in the morning hits. Your significant other rolls over and says,
"Baby, I'm hungry. Can you make me a sandwich?"
What do you do? What do you do? 'Cause me?
I think the fuck not.
I ain't even... Like, I feel like if you watch me, you know what my answer is.
No.
And This sandwich is so good, y'all. This is probably one of the top 5 sandwiches I ever ate in my life.
Oh, wow.
If you know me, damn, this good. Well, let me back up. So I'm reading these answers, and people are like,
I'ma roll my motherfucking ass over and go make him a sandwich.
some people like,
If I got to bake the bread myself, I'ma get my ass up and bake it.
A sandwich? I'm gonna cook him a whole Thanksgiving dinner if I have to at 3 o'clock in the morning.
what? No. There's nothing wrong if that's your answer. Okay. If you want to make your man a sandwich at 3 a.m., if he tell you roll your ass over and make him a sandwich, and you roll your ass over and make him a sandwich, kudos to you, baby. Kudos to you. But me?
Impossible.
I must be the problem because I could never.
Get somebody else to do it.
And the thing is, I was the minority. It was like out of 100 answers, it was only like 2 of us that were saying, hell no, we ain't doing that shit. This sandwich good. I just feel like when you find that person that you love, that person knows you. Right? This is good. I can't even concentrate. That person knows you. Okay.
Okay.
He knows, or she, he or she, whatever, knows everything about you. And my soulmate knows not to wake my black ass up at 3 a.m. And that's what it is. Okay? And I'm not gonna be with no motherfucker who I would think would dare to wake me up at 3 a.m. and ask me to make them a goddamn sandwich. Do you have arms? Do you have feet? Are you capable?
In that order.
Then you roll your ass over and make your own sandwich. If I'm hungry, what am I gonna do? I wouldn't dare wake this man up. I'm gonna flip my black ass out the bed, go my black ass downstairs in the kitchen, and make me a goddamn sandwich. I don't get it. Can somebody explain it to me? I'm serious. Can somebody explain it to me where I could be like, oh, I can see why you would make him a sandwich. Because I'm not. Now, if the motherfucker was Bezos, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, his last name was Gates or Bezos or Ford or Honda or Walmart or something like that. Oh, then I'm gonna roll my black ass over and make him whatever the fuck he wants. Whatever he wants, I'm gonna roll over and get it for him. I'm sorry. I don't care if you say I'm being, what's that word? Superficial. I'm old, baby, so I've experienced life and I know. There ain't no way I'm gonna turn around and make somebody a sandwich at 3 a.m. I'm tired. I got insomnia. I have sleep problems, so I figure the person I love would know that I have trouble going to sleep, and when they see my black ass asleep, they gonna be like,
let me let this hoe sleep.
But that's just me. I can't. Don't wake me up. Don't wake me up. Don't do it. I'm full. That little sandwich is enough. I'm full. I ain't gonna get to my second question, but I'm gonna say it. And in another mukbang, we gonna answer it. Okay. So the second question, these mukbangs be all over the place. When am I gonna get it together? The second question is, let's say you've been with somebody for a very, 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 very long time. Y'all married, had a family, happily ever after, and this person suddenly died. Okay. Out of the blue, this whole family that they had while y'all were together comes with kids. This could only really apply for women because no woman could get away with a second family. Only men could. And here come his side chick with like 2 kids. Now, when he died, he left you and yours a big sum of money. Let's say $1 million. Right? He left it for you and your kids. Here come his side chick and his 2 other kids. And they like, he ain't leave us nothing. We broke. We about to go homeless. Oh, I need some help. Right? This all new to you. You ain't know about none of this. So, what do? Do you look at that hoe up and down, and then walk the fuck out the hospital with your $1 million bag? Or do you split the $1 million bag with the side chick and her kids because you love this man and you know that those kids are innocent victims in this whole spiel? What do you do, ho? What do you do? This a mess. Anyway, I'm full. That is good. Look, y'all gotta go try this Philly cheesesteak with the garlic bread. What? Texas toast garlic bread too. I'm full. Am I giving a look? I feel like I look pretty today.
Crickets.
If you're not, make sure you click on the video that's about to pop over here in a few seconds and indulge. And until the next time, Chocoholics, I'm done.